Welcome to chemistry. What you're looking at here is a picture of our home page on our Canvas module. It'll where you always go when you open Canvas for our course. If you get here on your own, you can probably figure it out, but you'll just click around. This is just a banner. You can click on it if you want, but nothing will happen. But these are all buttons down here, and you can click on most of these, and it'll do something. So the first place you'd probably want to go is to Getting Started. If you click on that button, it will have the syllabus and the safety module. The syllabus just goes through what the course is. You should look at that so you get a good understanding of what's going to be required of you. There's nothing else besides really looking at it. We will look at it in class some. But the safety module is one of the first things. It's due date of Friday, August 28th, which is this Friday. If I click on the safety module, you'll see that the module's up here. Unit 1 is down below. It just goes to all modules when you click on a module, but that doesn't really matter. But the safety module's here. First thing I do is I click on Lab Safety, and it tells you what you have to do in order to complete the module. Read the safety contract. It's right here as a PDF. Have you and a parent sign the safety contract according to the lab safety assignment instructions, which is the next thing in this module. And then you also have to get a 94% on the safety quiz, which is 31 out of 33, and you can take it multiple times. Then you should watch one of these videos. If you're at home, watch one and or both. I love Hank Green. Amoeba Sisters are kind of cool too. But don't pause. I don't want to do that. But it's there. No, pause. So that was weird. Don't worry about it. But the next thing is, if I click next, which is not going to let me do unless I move this. If I click next, it'll take me to the lab safety assignment. And it says, read the safety contract. And the safety contract is here again. And then you either have to have it digitally signed and submitted by this Friday. And there are two different ways to do it. You can print out a copy. So you can print this PDF, sign it, take a picture, and submit it to this assignment. See where it says submit assignment up here in the top right, kind of. And you can also copy and paste the following text into this. So you just highlight it, and then copy it, and then go to submit assignment. But I wouldn't do that until you've read through the safety contract, because basically by doing that you're saying you've read the safety contract and put your name in there and then submit it. And that is a 5-point assignment, so you definitely need to do that. Then the next thing is the safety quiz. It's an online quiz. You can take it as many times as you want. By Friday you need to get 31 out of 33. So there's the very first thing we're going to get done as far as an assignment is concerned. But if I go back to the home page, you'll also see that there's About Me. That's where you can go to get my phone number, learn a little bit about me if you want. Say, hey, look, there it is. I did not mean to click on that, but it's there. My email and phone number is there. That's the main thing you'd get from that. This Zoom meeting link is a spot where for the first Zoom meetings that we do, it'll always be that one. You see this password is Steinhoff. No uppercase S on Steinhoff, just Steinhoff for any Zoom meetings we're going to have for the first few weeks, unless I find there's an issue with that. I may change it later, but if I do change the Zoom meeting, this button is just an easy way to click and get to the Zoom meeting if you need to. If you're an online student or you're just not there that day and you want to follow along, however that works. But these quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4, notice it says coming soon. I know that's pretty small and probably hard to see, but that is what it says. And so those won't be open for a while. But quarter 1 is where we are, so you can definitely click on this one. And for right now, and it may change, it's just basically a playlist. There's a playlist Google Doc you can click on. Or I just copied everything in the Google Doc into this list of things 1 through 7 that need to be gotten done in the next 2 weeks. Again, you may find that we want to do it in a different order, but starting Monday, we're going to be doing this health and safety slideshow. Then we're going to go procedures checklist. Then we're going to get familiar with Canvas. Then we're going to work on the safety module. Then we're going to work on Unit 1. And then there may be some things. This document may actually get modified between now and then. And it'll be added to this if that does happen. And at some point, I'm hoping that it'll be more set up like the home page. And it'll have buttons either based by unit or possibly based by week. Just depends on how good I get at it, and how many buttons I want to make and how specific I want it to be, because some people may be working at slightly different paces. So back to the home page. You can view the course stream, view your course calendar, view your notifications, and then you see all these, your to-do list. These are assignments in order, so that is another way to look at it. And again, you can look at these things under the course menu on the left and click on assignments, but it's going to give them to you in a different order than I want you to do them in. If you want to know the right order, then it's probably better if you go based upon buttons and the such. All right, well, thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.